2,000 feet below the ocean's surface, a research submarine moves through total darkness. Its lights cut a narrow tunnel through the black water. The pilot adjusts the camera, and what appears on the monitor stops everyone cold. Stretching beyond visibility is a glowing chain longer than a blue whale, thinner than a human arm, pulsing with electric blue light. This is the giant siphonophore, a creature so strange that its discovery forced scientists to rethink what life in the deep ocean could be. For more than a century, no one knew this animal existed in its full form. Fishermen occasionally pulled fragments from their nets, but the tissue disintegrated within minutes at the surface. What remained looked like gelatinous debris. Marine biologists cataloged these remains as damaged jellyfish or unidentifiable slime. The ocean kept its secret well. Everything changed in 1987 when the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute deployed a remotely operated vehicle into the depths of Monterey Canyon. While mapping the seafloor, the team encountered something unprecedented. A translucent organism stretching through the water column like a living ribbon, moving with perfect coordination despite having no visible brain. That footage marked humanity's first look at the giant siphonophore in its natural habitat. Marine biologist Dr. Stephen Haddock became one of the leading experts on these creatures. His research revealed that the species Mipraea dubia regularly reaches lengths of 30 to 40 meters, with some individuals exceeding 50 meters, making it one of the longest animals ever observed on Earth. Yet, despite its size, it's barely thicker than a broomstick. The siphonophore's lineage dates back over 500 million years to the Cambrian explosion. It belongs to the phylum Cnidaria, alongside jellyfish, corals, and sea anemones. This group survived every mass extinction event in Earth's history, including the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs and the Great Dying that wiped out most marine life. Their survival comes from a strategy unlike anything else in nature. A siphonophore is not a single organism. It's a colony. Hundreds or thousands of genetically identical individuals called zooids, all fused into one long chain. Each zooid is specialized for a single task. Some, called nectophores, provide propulsion, pulsing rhythmically to move the colony. Gastrozoids handle feeding, extending long tentacles lined with deadly stinging cells. Gonophores manage reproduction. Bracts act as protective shields. At the front, a gas-filled float called the pneumatophore helps maintain buoyancy. All zooids are connected by a hollow tube that distributes nutrients throughout the colony. When one zooid captures prey, the entire organism benefits. Perfect cooperation. Made possible by perfect genetic identity. In 2005, researchers discovered something even more astonishing. While exploring deep waters, Dr. Haddock's team found a siphonophore species called arena that produced red bioluminescent lures, a color rarely seen in the deep sea. Red light scatters quickly in water, and most deep-sea animals can't see it. Many fish are red specifically because it makes them invisible. So why glow red? The answer revealed a remarkable hunting strategy. The siphonophore twitches its red lure in patterns that mimic small prey. Curious fish approach and swim directly into its tentacles. This discovery suggested some deep-sea fish can see red light after all, revealing a hidden layer of ocean evolution. Those tentacles are biological weapons. Each branch is packed with nematocysts, microscopic harpoons filled with neurotoxin. When triggered, they fire faster than almost anything in the animal kingdom, injecting venom that paralyzes prey instantly. The giant siphonophore hunts in the midnight zone, hundreds of meters below the surface. Pressure here is crushing. Temperatures hover near freezing. Sunlight has never reached these depths. Instead of chasing food, the siphonophore drifts silently, spreading its tentacles into a massive three-dimensional net. Then, it activates its blue bioluminescence, drawing prey closer until contact seals their fate. Despite having no brain, the colony behaves as one. Signals pass through a distributed nerve network. Tentacles retract together. Swimming units adjust in unison. Thousands of individuals act like a single mind. In April 2020, researchers aboard the vessel Falkor encountered a siphonophore estimated at 45 meters long, arranged in a glowing spiral. Possibly the longest animal ever recorded. Measuring it directly was impossible. The creature is 95% water, and bringing it to the surface would destroy it within minutes. This fragility explains why siphonophores escaped detection for so long. Only modern ROVs. Capable of diving thousands of meters. Allow scientists to observe them intact. Marine biologist Dr. Rebecca Helm later revealed that siphonophores are among the most abundant predators in midwater ecosystems. They shape entire food webs, influencing which species survive their daily vertical migrations. Their reproduction seems almost impossible. Tiny medusae drift freely, releasing eggs and sperm into the vast ocean. Yet siphonophores exist in every sea, from the tropics to the poles. Even now, scientists don't know how long they live, how large they can grow, or how they navigate the darkness. The deep ocean covers more than 60% of Earth's surface, yet we've explored less than 5% of it. We know more about Mars than our own seafloor. The giant siphonophore is a reminder of how much remains hidden. A living structure older than dinosaurs. A colony that challenges our definition of individuality. A creature thriving where life seems impossible. Somewhere right now, in the midnight zone, a siphonophore drifts through darkness. Glowing, hunting, unchanged for hundreds of millions of years. The ocean still keeps its secrets. But dive by dive, we are beginning to understand the life it hides.